Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here. So let's say that the lead hook and the lead uppercut, they met at the bar, got married, and had a baby. That baby would be named the lead hook to the body, otherwise known as the liver shot. So a couple of weeks ago, I went over the lead hook to the head. If you missed that video, the link is in the description below. The reason why the liver shot is so devastating is because the liver is the second largest organ in the body, just under the skin. Literally, because the skin is the first largest organ in the body. Alright, so the liver is located on the right side of the body right here. So for the orthodox fighters, it's perfect when you guys throw that lead hook to the body. It lands right there where the liver is. Alright, so getting in our stance, you guys are going to start off by slipping to your lead hand side. Rear foot should pivot, your rear hip should come forward as well as your rear shoulder, just like that. Alright, your weight is distributed on your front foot. Now to throw the punch, you guys are going to rotate this lead hip to your rear hand side, just like that. Alright, my front foot is not going to pivot because I'm not transferring my weight to my rear foot. I'm keeping my weight on this lead foot when I throw that punch. Alright, if anything, this rear foot should pivot. Alright, this rear shoulder should kind of go back just like that. Alright, not sideways, but more like an uppercut. More over the shoulder. Alright guys, so this is how it's going to look like on the bag. So again, you guys are going to kind of do that slip, transferring your weight to that lead foot, turning your hips, turning your shoulders. Turn. Alright, so you can throw the lead hook to the body two ways. One, you can throw it more like an uppercut. So you get on the inside of where their elbow is, because their elbow is right here. So you would want to hit them right here. Now if you want to get it a little more to the side, behind where their elbow is, alright? Then you'd hit it more like a hook. Uppercut versus hook. So when I'm on the inside, I want to tighten my movements a little bit. So I'm not going to pull my rear shoulder back as much as I was when I'm throwing it mid-range, right? Just like that. So it's not going to be as powerful, but it's going to be a lot quicker. So it's going to be just as effective as throwing it with power. So knowing how to throw the lead hook to the body is one thing, but landing it is a whole nother thing. So here are some tricks to land that liver shot. So for one thing, if you guys want to reach all the way around there behind where their elbow is, sometimes we got to reach around a little too much, right? So a little trick you guys can do is set it up with the lead hook to the head. But the lead hook to the head is not meant to hurt the person. So what we're going to do is I'm going to step simultaneously to the side as I throw that lead hook. Just like that, alright? See how I step simultaneously again? Alright, I'm using that lead hook to step over to the side. And you're not just stepping to the side, you're stepping forward a little bit, alright? Like that, not to the side, kind of at an angle, alright? So I'm going to go just like that, alright? Alright guys, so we don't always have the best angle at that liver, right? So one thing we can do is we can cut the angle a little bit and throw that lead hook. So I'm over here, I'm going to cut a slight angle, just like that. Not too big of an angle, but just enough so I can shoot that liver shot right there. Because if I were to throw the liver shot right here, it's going to hit that elbow, right? So I'm going to cut a slight angle, just like that. Cut the angle. Just like that. Alright, so last but not least, pretending that this is the opponent's arm / elbow right here, we're going to throw like a double hook to the body, but what we're going to do is we're going to throw one to the outside of the elbow and then one to the inside of the elbow, just like that. Throw that second one more like an uppercut, alright? And it's okay if I hit their arm on that first hook to the body. We're trying to use that first hook to set up the second shot to the body. Alright, so it's okay if you hit that arm, just... Alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning into that video. So as you can see, there's a lot of similarities between the lead hook to the body and the lead hook to the head and the uppercut, alright? I hope this helps you guys with throwing that lead hook to the body. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.